Magdalene's journey brings old and new worlds together.
The book is the untold story of Mary Magdalene's life and her teachings. It serves as an updated storyline to an archaic and patriarchal history of how Mary Magdalene has been depicted over millennia.
She will take you through the beginning of when she first met Yeshua to the days of when they were teaching together.
Along the way, we meet various characters, including female apostles, which were written out of the history and holy books. She talks about her relationship with the female apostles, whom she calls the sisters, and how they went on to teach and to heal, not just in ancient Judea, but later on in Gaul, which is now modern France. You won't find religious dogma in this story, nor in Yeshua's teachings, which are layered into Magdalene's narrative like an exquisite and treasured tapestry from yesteryear.
The story is a modern upgrade to the history and the conditioning that we have been taught for so many years.
For so long, our patriarchal history has dictated how we believe and what we think.
Magdalene's journey will bring you into a multidimensional world of science and history woven together.
So why Mary Magdalene? People ask us all the time, why of all female visionaries in history did we choose Mary Magdalene? Truth be told, we knew nothing about Mary Magdalene beyond name recognition. You might say that Miriam and Yeshua found us.
Deeply rooted in simple but profound teachings, the combination of Yeshua's wisdom and Miriam's life story got under our skin.
It didn't take long for us to discover a growing curiosity about this mysterious woman who was referred to by different names: Miriam of Magdala, Miriam, Mary Magdalene, the Tower, Magdalene, or simply the Magdalene. Tossed aside like an inconvenient truth by the powers behind patriarchal Rome thrones and later the male-controlled Catholic hierarchy, she was mostly unknown. Many questions about Miriam of Magdala remain unanswered. Indeed, several gaps persist, pointing to a larger unacknowledged question. How many powerful and pivotal women have been written out of history and holy books?
Regardless of your belief system, this book may, at a minimum, get you to think in a broader, more encompassing way about our very existence.
Embracing this notion in your everyday life will change how you show up in the world, and from that place, miracles may just start to become commonplace.
So, are you ready to go on a journey with us?
We hope you'll pick up a copy of Magdalene's Journey and rediscover a different truth about our history and the women in it.